Engraving metal signs offers a unique and lasting way to create personalized plaques, whether for gifts, home decor, or professional use. With the right carbide burr tips and some simple techniques, hobby crafters of all levels can achieve crisp, custom designs that stand the test of time. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the essentials of creating engraved metal signs, from selecting your materials and preparing your design, to stencil methods and polishing for a professional finish. To begin, it's important to choose the right metal for your project. Aluminum, brass, and stainless steel are popular choices, each with their own benefits. Aluminum is lightweight and easy to work with. Brass offers a classic warm tone, and stainless steel provides durability and a sleek look. Whichever you choose, ensure the surface is clean and free of debris, as this will help your engraving look its best. Next, you'll need to select your carbide burr tips. Carbide burrs are ideal for engraving metal because they maintain their sharpness longer than steel and can produce fine, detailed lines. For most hobby projects, a set with a variety of shapes, such as ball, cone, and cylindrical tips, will give you the flexibility to create both broad strokes and intricate details. Make sure your rotary tool is compatible with these burrs and that you wear protective gear, including safety glasses and gloves. Now let's talk about designing your plaque. Start by sketching out your design on paper. Think about the message, symbols, or images you want to include. Keep in mind that simpler designs are easier to engrave, especially for beginners. Once satisfied with your sketch, transfer it onto your metal surface. There are several methods for this, but using a stencil is one of the most accurate and beginner-friendly approaches. Creating a stencil can be as simple as printing your design onto adhesive paper or tracing it onto a vinyl sheet. Carefully cut out your design using a craft knife, then affix the stencil to your metal plaque. Make sure it's smooth and securely attached to prevent shifting during engraving. The stencil acts as a guide, helping you keep lines straight and proportions consistent. With your stencil in place, it's time to start engraving. Select a carbide burr tip appropriate for your design's lines. Smaller tips for fine details, larger tips for broad areas. Holding your rotary tool like a pen, gently trace along the edges of your stencil, letting the burr do the work. Take your time. Work slowly and steadily to maintain control. If you're new to engraving, practice on a scrap piece of metal first to get a feel for the tool and how much pressure to apply. Once you've finished engraving your design, remove the stencil and brush away any metal shavings. At this stage, your plaque might look a bit rough, but polishing will reveal its true beauty. Start with a fine grit sandpaper to smooth out any uneven edges. Then, use a polishing compound and a buffing wheel or soft cloth to bring out the shine. Work in small circles, applying gentle pressure until the metal gleams and the engraved lines stand out. Personalizing metal plaques with carbide burr tips opens up countless possibilities for creativity. Whether you're making signs for your workshop, nameplates for gifts, or decorative pieces for your home, the results are always satisfying and unique. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more crafting tips and techniques. We'd love to hear about your experience. Leave a comment below and let us know if you've tried our carbide burr tools or if you have any questions about engraving metal signs. Your feedback helps us create more content that inspires and informs. Happy crafting!